So hello everyone, this is day 32nd of my journey to improve my communication skills, and today I am going to share about my today's routine. So today I went to college in the morning because today I have a partial delivery session on ML which carries some 80 marks, so it's a compulsory for every student to attend this session. And today I learned a lot of stuff regarding ML, how we apply the algorithms in real world and real world applications. The teacher who came, he's an institutional researcher at YU in California. His name is Rangavitla, and the way he explained the ML algorithm is extremely fabulous, unbelievable. Uh, how he started the sessions that I am going to tell. It's very interesting. So he bought some vegetable and chilies. Vegetable is basically beans, and he combines bean and chilies. So he gave us a task that we have to separate them and how we can separate them. So manually we can do that because we know that chili color, chili shape, and bean shape and bean color. Manually we can separate them and we can cook the food. But if the same task we have to make into from the machines. How we can do that? How we can write the code for this? So basically, this is basically the use of the ML algorithm for the real world problems. How we can separate with the help of the machine. So machine cannot understand the language, English language. So we can tell him hello data numbers. So he write a code from scratch. How we can separate the chili from beans. The separation. The whole code he wrote from his phone without using any kind of internet or any kind of AI tool. So that impressed me a lot. And one more thing that I learned from the teacher, whenever he stuck or whenever there is an error coming in the code, he didn't take help from the chat GPT or AI or any kind of the engine. He tried to solve the problem by himself. So basically, अगर हम कभी भी किसी प्रॉब्लम में स्टक होते हैं, so we should not go directly to the Google or any search engine to get the solution. Because if we do that, we will become dependent on that technology. But it should not like that. If you wanted to become a good problem solver, first try to analyze the problem, see why this problem is happening, what is the reason behind it, and in case after trying a lot of times you are not able to solve, then you go and take help of the AI or Google or any kind of the tools which are available in the tools market. So this approach will help you to become a good problem solver, and it also helps you to get a good job in some reputed company. So yeah, that I learned in today's session, and today's session is very full excitement. And whole session I was very active. I sat on the first bench, learn how the algorithm works, and write with my own hands rather than copy and paste. So after that, I came back to the hostel and do the regular stuff, had lunch. Then I go to the library. Today, like there is some problem with an internet, so I try. So today, I studied some books regarding aptitude training test and my English communication. So English communication, I read a book about TOEFL, listening, speaking, writing, and comprehension. So basically, in this book, I read if some comprehension or some paragraph is given, and there is some complex word in the paragraph. If you don't know the meaning of that word, and you how you will get to know the meaning. So basically, if you want to know the meaning of any word in any paragraph, first try to read the whole sentence. Whole sentence, the words which are written behind and after that word. Try to analyze what they wanted to convey. You will directly get the meaning of that word which is present in the comprehension or paragraph or passage. So this is the technique. This is the way of knowing the meaning of any words which is given comprehension. Because if you want to give any kind of exam, GATE exam, or any kind of government exam, English is compulsory and para comprehension is also compulsory for any kind of a government or a private sector exam. So in English, there are a lot of more than one lakh words. You cannot remember all the words at once. So with the help of a paragraph, with the help of a line, you can get to know about the meaning of any kind of a word. So this is a technique. And one more thing is that I already mentioned in my previous video. Whenever you talk, whenever you speak with someone, take pause efficiently, more efficiently. So eh, don't take pause if you stuck somewhere. Take pause so that you can process your thought in more efficient way and you can deliver it in better way. That is the main role of the pause in your communication. And don't suppose I forgot to speak, so don't like that. Don't become don't give like you don't know anything. Speak something else, change the topic, go from one topic to another topic, so that the person who's listening you will you and the person who's listening you he won't be able to recognize the way you speak. He won't be able to recognize that you are forgetting something. ऐसा टाइप ऐसा लेवल का कम्युनिकेशन होना चाहिए and this is only possible if you work continuously, if you work on your weaknesses, if you if you learn where you are lagging, if you improve daily, then only it is possible. So then I started about DSA concept, how multiple calls happen in a recursion, uh, some problems on the functional recursion. One is how to reverse an array in a functional with the help of the functional recursion, and how to get to know whether the given string, whether the given number is a palindrome or not. Palindrome basically is a number if we, is a number or any string. If we reverse it, we will get the same. For example, we can take an example of madam. So if we write the madam word uh, revert in the reverse manner, then we will get the madam. For example, M is in the front and the last also. A last also, second last A, and the mid D. So if we reverse it, we will get madam K. So this is basically palindrome. So the logic is very simple, and now I am basically applying the brute force that this kind of problem. I am not using any optimal approach. Sooner with the upcoming days, uh, I will try to apply the better approach so that I will get the optimized result. On the time complexity, I will learn more about the time complexity and space complexity so that my code will become the more optimized and it will give a better output. And one more thing is from today onwards, I will not try. I will regularly solve 3 or 4 problems on the lead code, not only lead code, any kind of the platform regarding the DSA. Because in the company they will ask about the if you will get you will selected for the you will selected for the interview if and only if you will pass the online assessment. Online assessment is contains only DSA, and I will give 4 or 5 hours daily on the DSA so that I will master the concept of the DSA. In the communication that I'm working regularly and I improved a lot. And I believe that in the upcoming months I will become more better and better in speaking on any kind of a topic or any kind of the speech I can give that I know. And one more thing I realized that consistency. So I realized that if the same thing I started past 3 years, then what will be my level for today? So if in 1 month I improved that much levels, then the 3 months can how much इतना improvement कर सकता था. But yeah, regret करने का कोई there is no benefit to do the regret because you will feel upset only and negative thoughts will come. So don't think about the past. Yeah, many people will did a lot of mistake in their past, but if you continuously doing the mistake again and again, then you will get nothing. So there will be some days coming in your life you have to do the work by forcefully. अब आपका मन हो या ना मन हो आपको वो करना ही पड़ेगा. there there will be some days in your life जब आपको करना पड़ेगा. तो if you wanted to do it on that time, why not नाउ, अगर उस समय वो काम करना ही पड़ेगा तो अभी क्यों नहीं कर सकते हैं? So yeah, now we have a time, we can utilize our time properly. This is the opportunity that everyone getting in their life, but they are not using it properly. And I will promise myself that I will use this opportunity and I will become the better version of myself. And in the upcoming years, I will be in some high level position so that my parents feel proud on myself. That is my main goal and main priority from the today onwards. So yeah, this is the day 32nd of my journey to improve my communication skills. And one more thing that I noticed in myself, whenever I spoke, whenever I stuck, I just I just take the like I'm doing something like I don't get in the word like लगता कोट रहा हूँ ऐसे. So I will try to improve that, and I will try to. My eyes are also flicking so consistently that I also try to improve on that, and rest I think everything is okay. So yeah, this is day 32nd on my journey to improve my communication skills. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.